Okay. Hello. I am the narrator. Before this episode starts, George will be talking about a Mynah bird. Now, however, these birds are in fact wild, but they can also become a pet. And they're quite easy to tame, but there are a few exceptions. These birds are crazy messy and love to take baths every day and make quite a mess with everything. They also have quite a lot of liver problems, so you'll need to regularly take them to the vet for checkups. But something that makes this bird wildly unique is that it talks like a mockingbird, which you will learn more about throughout this video. Now that you know a little bit more about this bird, let the show begin. Good morning, everybody. My name is George, and today we're going to be talking about the Mynah birds. These birds are mostly a nice, beautiful black, but sometimes they can be a brown. These birds also have a nice, beautiful patterns around their eyes that are yellow, along with their beaks and feet that will also be yellow. These birds also have big white spots on their feathers, wings. These Mynah birds lived in Southeast Asia, Africa, and Indiana, but they were put in Hawaii to keep the population of armyworms and cutworms under control. These birds can live to 12 to 25 years. This bird is more of a predator type bird and has a wide variety of a diet. It will eat seeds, eggs from other birds. It will also eat baby rodents, fruits, baby birds, insects, larvas, small snakes, amphibians, and lizards. Like all animals, this bird has a scientific name, and that is hang on, it's right on my tongue. Give me a minute. It's okay, it's quite a hard word. It's Archaeodotos triscus. Yes, the Archaeodotos triscus is a very hard word to pronounce. Every mating season, there would be two birds that fly to a different location to begin their nesting and their mating. They will normally fly to areas where they can put their nests in ceilings, walls, or even in hollow trees. The male and female are very identical, but there is a small difference. The male has a small skin flap under its beak, and like most animals, the male is also a bit bigger than the female and has a more stronger stance. Unfortunately, this video has come to an end. If you are fascinated by the Mynah birds, there are links in the description of where I got my information that goes more into detail about this fantastic mockingbird. Without further ado, please like, subscribe, and good night.
This is the end of the video, end of the video, end of the video. Pew pew. End of the video, end of the video. This is the end of the video. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew. End of the video, end of the video, end of the video. Oh oh.